Hey there, Jackie here from Interact, and I'm still using AI to see what we can come up with using the new technology. And so I think a big question that sort of comes with using AI is how do you use AI to your advantage while also being able to amplify your own voice, your own experiences, your own knowledge? And I think the answer to that is to look at AI, or rather use any of the AI platforms that are out there as a starting point to generate an outline or a shell or an idea of what it is that you're wanting to put on paper, this content that you're wanting to create. But don't just copy and paste what it gives you. Rather, put your own spin on it. So edit the content, edit the outline that it's giving you, or fill in the blanks that you want to make sure are called out in the content that it's creating. So you can see on the screen share that I have right here, I simply asked OpenAI to write a description for Interact Quizzes Community, the quiz collective by Interact. And so I could very easily take this, copy and paste it, and put it on a sales page or on our product page where it shows that, access to this community comes with an Interact plan. But it's also not totally accurate. Or it doesn't call out all of the things that I maybe think are most important about our community. Now, I am a living, breathing human being that goes into that community very frequently. I created the community with Interact, with the customer, or rather with the members that initially joined up and got in there through our coaching program. And so I know I have a lot of experience and expertise when it comes to what this platform is designed to do. Now, putting that all into words, where to start, what to include, what not to include, I think is the part for me anyways, that I sort of get hung up on. Or if I had to go write a sales page on what this community is, what it offers, it would take me a while to figure out what it is that I would want to say, not want to say, right? How to say it and put it all together. But this is where AI saves you all of that time in sort of ideating, right? And so here I asked simply write a description for Interact Quizzes Community, the Quiz Collective by Interact. And I got a pretty good response. Interact Quizzes Community, the Quiz Collective by Interact, is a vibrant and inclusive community of quiz enthusiasts from around the world. That is totally true. So I'm just going to sort of edit this on my screen as we go together. That's totally true. And it is something that I'm proud of, that we are proud of, that our community is proud of. It aligns with our values. So I would want this to stay in here. Our goal is to promote the joy of knowledge and to inspire people to explore the world through quizzing. Yes, but do I really want them to be exploring the world through quizzing? Not too much. Inspire people to share their knowledge. Let's say share their expertise and offerings to the people who need them most through quizzing. That is what the community is designed to do, for you to create an effective quiz so that you can find the people that need your offerings the most, that would benefit from them the most, so we can tell them about it. So simply by making that little change, I'm adding my own creative spin, my own creative energy, my own ideas into what AI gave me. We offer a wide variety of interesting and challenging quiz. Maybe I want this to say rather than we. The community offers a wide variety of interesting and challenging quizzes that have been carefully crafted and curated by our team of experts. That is not true. Interact does offer hundreds of templates that you can use to create your quiz, both interesting and challenging. They have been carefully crafted and curated by experts on our team, but that's not what the community is designed to do. So I could simply delete this, or I could change it into something else if I wanted to. I think let's just skip this sentence down to the next. Our members are invited to join and share their knowledge, participate in events, and connect with others who share their interest in quizzing. We provide a safe and welcome environment. Okay, so I think what I can do is sort of combine these two topics into one statement. The community offers a wide variety of interesting and challenging and impactful businesses that use quizzes to amplify their brand. Our members are invited to join and share their knowledge, participate in events, connect with others to share best practices they've learned from using quizzes themselves from using quizzes. Best practices on using quizzes and growing their businesses. The community is a safe and welcoming environment where everyone can come together, have fun, and learn something new. We strive to create an inclusive and positive atmosphere where everyone can come together and explore the world. To your business and to those it was designed to support. So you can see an AI machine would not know what's in my head, right? And so I am absolutely able to exercise my own creative spin on anything that AI gives me back. And I think this is another really great reason as to why AI isn't going to take a job away from somebody, from a marketer, from a blogger, because we are from you as a business owner, but you're not going to lose your business because of AI, right? It's really just a tool that allows you to sort of cut through the fat and figure out what it is that you want to say. And then you're able to take what it gives you and put your own spin, your own finesse on it so that it really, really matches and amplifies the specific message that you want to give. And so I hope that you can see simply just from having AI write a description about our community and then me putting my own spin on it, that it gets much more specific. It gets much more it highlights the features, right, that I really want to call out, that I know are most impactful to our customers, things that I want to say to encourage other people that aren't currently in the community to want to join so that they can get this level of knowledge and connection as well. And that just wasn't there in the initial AI response that I got back. So I would say use AI as a tool to create an outline, create a shell, stop staring at a blank screen, get some ideas on paper of what you could use to put on a sales page, write in an email, put in a quiz, right? And then add your own spin on it based on what you know, because you know your business and you know your customers best.